In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JEE questions under the subtopic color mixing in refraction of light. Alright, so this video is a continuation of the previous video, which was about dispersion of light and colors. Alright, so let's get started. The first one I have here says, the first question, which of the following correctly explains why a green leaf appears green in bright daylight? So we have these options. It absorbs only the green component of sunlight. No, it's not correct. It absorbs all colors in sunlight except green. Yeah, this is correct. It reflects only the green components of sunlight. This is also correct. So for these facts, we have the correct option here will be option C, which is II and III only. Alright, so that's it for this question. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says, if the Nigerian flag green white green is viewed in pure yellow light, which of the following set of colors would be observed on the flag? We have red, yellow, red, no. We have green, yellow, green, no. We have black, yellow, black. We have green, white, green. So the correct option to this question will be option C, which is black, yellow, black. Alright, so that's the correct option to this question. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says a yellow liquid in a green transparent bottle will appear. We have black, yellow, red, green. It will appear green. Alright, so that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, which of these pair of colors are complementary? We have green and red, we have blue and yellow, we have blue and green, we have red and blue. So the correct option to this question will be option B, which is blue and yellow. Alright, so they are complementary colors. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says a mixture of blue and red pigments when illuminated by white lights will appear. We have green, we have orange, we have purple, we have magenta. So the correct option here is option C, which is purple. The next repeated question will be this. It says, which of the following is a secondary color? We have orange, we have blue, we have green, we have red. So the correct option here is option A, which is orange. So the next repeated question will be this one. Alright, so before I answer this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. Really appreciate this. So the question says, a poster has a red letter P on a white background when it is viewed to a blue transparent screen. An observer would see a, so we have option A, black P on blue background, black P or greenish white background, magenta P on a blue background, magenta P on a blue black background. So the correct option in this question is option A, which is black P on a blue background. Alright, so the next repeated question will be this one. It says, in sunlight, a blue flower looks blue because we see the flower by the light it reflects, we see from our eyes, absorbed, disperses. So the correct option is option A, which is reflect. The next question will be this one. It says, when a red rose flower is observed in blue light, what color does the observer see? So we have option A, we have red, we have yellow, we have blue, we have black. Alright, so the correct option in this question will be option Z, which is black. Okay, the next repeated question will be this one. It says, when a primary and secondary colors are combined to produce white light, the phenomenon is known as, we have primary color mixture, we have secondary and primary color mixture, we have subtractive mixtures of colors, we have complementary colors mixture. So the correct option in this question is option D, which is complementary colors mixture. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, when a red rose flower is observed in blue light, what color does the observer see? We have red, magenta, yellow, blue. Alright, so guys, the correct option in this question will be option B, magenta. Magenta is the option that is closest to the color the observer will see. magenta is reddish purple. All right, so that's it for this question. The last repeated question we will look at before we call this a class will be this. It says, which of the following colors of light will give white light on missing? We have magenta and green, we have red and yellow, we have yellow and green, we have red and magenta. So the correct option to this question will be option A, which is magenta and green. So that's it for this video. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. We practice with 13 repeated questions under color missing and dispersion of light and colors for your physics. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you're new to our channel, once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting special information that will help to simplify your academic problem. Alright, so having known that, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.